Hello everyone, myself Devendra Padhyay. So today I am sitting with the Lico Material, Mr. Gaurav Dolwani sir. So now sir, we are discussing and Semco equipments and about our services part, and if you are procurement our equipments. So you are planning your vision, you have plan for procurement equipments. So now what feedback you give our customer, our services and what all the process?
So we have been using Semco machines for over a year now. We are very happy with the service we get. We're very happy with the machines we have. I think they've been very helpful in helping us identify what kind of machines we need, what kind of solutions can be provided. We are creating a new market segment for battery repurposing. So it's a very specific requirement, different from battery pack manufacturing with new cells. So I think they understand the nuances of what is required for refurbishment, and they've been very helpful for us on this.
Okay, so could you give some messages for other supplier, and if anyone can plan for new setup for battery equipment, so you are recommended to go with Semco Infratech about anything else you want?
I think it's a very commonly discussed point that why don't we bring machines from China ourselves? See, bringing machines is not the only thing when you are buying equipment, right? You need to ensure that the service is also very important. The warranty is also important. We have heard many stories from others who have got machines and gotten stuck with them. So for us, we look at Semco as a player that can solve all our problems across the board.
Okay, so great. So thanks for your feedback, sir. And one of our customers is Lico, one of the largest recycling supplier for India, and we work together and promote the EV industry for the coming future and sustain and green renewable energy and green mobility for the India. Thank you so much.